Front of the analog camera. Part number 1. Film advance. Providing double exposure and protection to the camera. Number 2. Shutter. Open to admit light and thus expose the film. Shutter speed indicator is the length of time the camera shutter remains open. Hot shoe. It takes the form of an angled metal bracket and it used to connect a variety of devices that communicate with the camera. Rewind lever. The knob is spun usually clockwise and the film is round. F-stop. Opening of a camera which allows the light to come in. Focus ring. It moves the lens elements inside the lens. Lens. Sends the light to the film strip. Back of the analog camera. Film compartment. It is used to manually rewind the film into the canister. Viewer. The different camera angles will have different effects on the viewer and how they perceive the scene that is shot. Back camera. Back camera, this lets the cameras that were designed to use the film take digital photographs. Take up spool. Pulls the film along so unexpected film can be placed behind the shutter. Rewind button. Disengages the gears on the take-up spool and winding sprockets.